In this video, I'm going to discuss the basics of percentage. So, what is percentage? Cent means 100, so percent means per 100. So, if a quantity is given, how can we convert it into percentage? The formula is fraction of the number divided by total number into 100. So, to convert a fraction or a quantity into percentage, we have the formula fraction of the number divided by total number into 100. So if percentage of the quantity is given, how can we find out the original quantity? So quantity is equal to percentage divided by 100 into total number. Quantity is equal to percentage by 100 into total number. So we can consider some marks. 40 by 50 means a student got 40 marks out of 50. So how can we convert the marks to percentage? To convert a number or a given fraction into percentage, just multiply the fraction with the 100. So if the student got 40 out of 50, then to convert it into percentage, just multiply the fraction with the 100. 40 by 50 into 100, here we will get 80%. So if the student got 150 out of 200, then how can we convert it into percentage? 150 by 200 into 100, which is equal to 75%. So if the mark is out of 500, the student got 400, then how can we convert 400 by 500 into 100, which is equal to 80%. So there is a simple technique. Let us look at the denominator. It is 50. How can we make 50 100? By multiplying it with 2, we get 100, right? When we multiply 50 with 2, we will get 100. So how to convert it into percentage? Just multiply 40 with 2. We will get 80%. How can we convert 200 or how can we make 200 100? Dividing 200 by 2, we will get 100. So just divide 150 by 2, we will get 75%. Likewise, how to make 500 100? Dividing by 5, we will get 100. So just divide 400 by 5, we will get it as 80%. So before having further questions, let us learn the relation between percentages and the basic fractions. So 1 by 1 is 100%, 50% is 1 by 2, 33.33% is 1 by 3, 25% is 1 by 4, and so on. That is 1 by 4 means how to convert the fraction 1 by 4 into percentage, 1 by 4 into 100, that is 25%. So like 1 by 5 is 20%, 1 by 5 into 100, which is equal to 20%. So 1 by 6 is 16.66%, and so on. We have to by heart this relation to solve the questions quickly. So have this question: what is 14.28% of 161? So if you find a question like this, don't skip it because it contains a fraction. So don't skip the question. We just have to learn the relationship between the percentage and the fraction. So 14.28% is 1 by 7. 1 by 7 into 161. We just have to multiply the fraction with the 161. So if we know that 14.28% is 1 by 7, we can easily solve the question. What is 16.66% of 48? So we don't have to solve like this. We just have to learn that 16.66% is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into 48, which is equal to 8. So in this way, we have to learn the relationship between the basic fractions and the percentages, and then we can solve the questions like this very quickly. The next basic concept is percentage increase or percentage decrease. how to find out the increased value and decreased value when we are given with the percentage increase and percentage decrease. Let us consider this question. The cost of milk was 20. Now it is increased by 50%. So what will be the new cost? That is the question. The original price was 20. Now it is increased by 50%. So what is increased by 50% means 100 plus 50. So the new price will be 150. 100 plus 50, 150 by 100 into 20, that is 30. So what if the cost is decreased by say 25%? Decreased by 20%, 25% means 100 minus 25, which is equal to 75%. So the new price will be 75% of the original price 20, which is equal to 50. If a number is increased by some percentage, 100 plus percentage increase by 100 into original number. If a percentage decrease is there, then 100 minus percentage decrease by 100 into original number. So the next question is how to convert percentage to original number. We are given with percentage and the total mark is also given. So how to convert it into the original number, the percentage to original number. 65%. Percent we have already seen per 100. So 65 per 100. 65 divided by 100 into total, which is equal to 65 by 100 into 500, which is equal to 325. To convert a number into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply it with 100 and divide it with the total number. To convert percentage into original number, we have to divide it by 100 and multiply with total number. So let us consider another question to convert percentage into original fraction. A mixture of milk and water contains 12% water. In 200 milliliter of that mixture, water amounts to. So there is a mixture containing milk and water. We are given with the percentage of water, that is the percentage of water in that mixture is 12. So in 200, if we take 200 milliliter of that mixture, how much water will be there? That is the question. So it is simple how to convert percentage into original number. We have to divide it by 100 and multiply it with the total amount. 12 divided by 100 into 200, which is equal to 24 milliliter. So how we can find out the amount of milk in 200 milliliter? If 12% is water, then how much will be milk? 88%, right? How we can find out how much milk will be in that mixture? 88 by 100 into 200, which is equal to 176 milliliter. Or simply we can find it out from here also. Total amount of the mixture is 200. We got the amount of water as 24 milliliter. So 200 minus 24, which is equal to 176. In this way also we can find out the amount of milk. So if percentage and the fraction is given, how can we find out the total amount? 18% of a number is 63. Find the number. So we have to find out 63 is 18% of which number? We have to find out the total number. So how can we find out? We will use the same formula to convert percentage into the original number. So 18 by we are given with percentage 18 percentage. So 18 per 100 into total number that we have to find out. We don't know that number. So 18 by 100 into total number is equal to fraction of that number or the original number. So 18 by 100 into x, we will take total number as x, which is equal to 63. So x is equal to 63. In the LHS 100 is denominator, so we have to, when we take it into RHS, we have to multiply it here. 63 into 100, x is multiplied with the 18. So when we take it into RHS, we have to divide it here. 63 into 100 divided by 18, which is equal to 350. That is 63 is 18 percentage of 350. Another question, the difference between 67 percentage of a number and 42 percentage of the same number is 214. What is the number? So in this case, what we have to do, the difference between 67 percentage of a number and 42 percentage of a number of the same number is 214. So 67 and 42 are percentages. So we just have to find the difference between 67 and 42. 67 minus 42, which is equal to 25 percentage. We are getting 25 percentage. So 25 per 100 into total number, which is equal to 214. So x is equal to 214 into 100 divided by 25, which is equal to 856. Instead of doing like this, we know that 25 percentage is 1 by 4. So 25 percentage of a number is 214, means 1 by 4th of a number is 214. So we just have to multiply 214 with the 4 to get the original number, that is 856. So in this way also we can find it quickly. 1 by 4th of the number is 214. So to find the total number, we have to just multiply 214 with the 4. So what if the question was 75 percentage of that number? So how to find out 75 percentage of that number? We can easily find it out, because 25 into 3 is 75. So to get 75, we have to multiply 25 with the 3. So to find the 75 percentage, we have to multiply 214 with the 3, which is equal to 642.